Okay, I will be showing you how to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication with the lattice method. Now 2 by 2 is new this year. Last year you just did by 1 digit. That's what you reviewed before. Now we're introducing bigger numbers, so multiplying bigger numbers. Can never decide if window or lattice is my favorite, but I definitely like them better than the standard algorithm as numbers get bigger. So the first number or problem I'm going to show you is 65 times 44. So you're still going to draw some boxes, but this time we're going to do a 2 by 2 box because I have 2 digits times 2 digits. So I need room for both digits. Now the 65, I'm going to write the digits there. 44 along the side. You can switch them. It does not matter since the order we multiply in doesn't matter. I still do need to draw my diagonal line. So watch carefully. It's going to go from the top right of this box to the bottom left of that box. I'm not crossing any lines when I make my diagonals. Just going through the empty box. Sometimes fifth graders have a tendency to draw them a little crooked. So just in that same little square or rectangle, top right, bottom left corner. Now, I have 6 times 4 over in this box is 24. Okay, doot, doot. I would show you like with my fingers how I trace, but I can't really do that on the computer. Just know I'm kind of going like doot, 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 doot. Okay. Now here I have 5 times 4 here is 20. Bottom left I have 6 times 4 again is 24. And then here I have 5 times 4 again is 20. So those repeated ones are kind of nice. Then I will add up. So remember, when I add up, I need to look at my diagonals. So notice I have more numbers in some of these diagonals than I did before. So I can ignore the outside numbers. I just have a 0 on this one. For this one, I have 0 plus 2 plus 4. So 6. And then this was just my line. That's not a 1 or anything. I didn't carry anything here. I just have 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is 8. And then a 2 there. So I get 2,860 as my answer. I will show you another example. We'll do 38 times 72. So again, I'm drawing a 2 by 2 box, just like I would for the window method. That they have that in common. Here, though, I'm just writing the digits. I'm not writing the values. And then I need to draw diagonal lines for this one. So just top right, bottom left, top right, bottom left, top right, bottom left. Okay, so notice I'm not crossing any lines when I'm making those diagonals. So we'll start with 3 times 7 is 21. Here we have 8 times 7 is 56. 3 times 2. Remember, if it's just a single digit like 6, I have to put a 0 in my tens place. And then bottom right, I have 8 times 2 is 16 here. So kind of like I trace, it's just like draw a line straight down with your finger to figure out which numbers need to go in there. Now I will add on my diagonals. It can be helpful to make them thicker if you don't want to get confused. So I can ignore those numbers. I just have 6 here. Here I have 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. Now I have 1 plus 5, plus another 1 is 7, and then just my 2 over here. Make sure you're writing carefully and being as neat as possible, otherwise it's easy to get the numbers a little bit mixed up. So I have 2,736 for that one. If you want me to do some more examples with you, that is fine. Go ahead and just pop onto the meeting if it's from 11 to 12 and ask, or send me an email. I can make you another video with some more examples. Also, you don't have to show your work on the Cami sheet. Just do it in a notebook and put the answer on the Cami sheet. I will trust you to do your work in your math notebook. Good luck.